Today, we're taking a deep dive into Canada's rich history and its national symbol, the incredible beaver. Did you know that Canada's national animal is the beaver? These skilled architects have played a vital role in shaping the nation's waterways. National flags and symbols hold stories of a country's heritage and culture. But today, we're blending that history with STEM in a unique way. Say hello to the Yarn Beaver Lodge. So what valuable lessons will your little leaders learn from crafting a beaver's lodge? Let's uncover them. 1. Fine motor skills. Cutting yarn into small strips for lodges sticks and painting hones their little fingers' dexterity. 2. Engineering marvels. Gluing yarn pieces to create the sticks and twigs teaches kids about the architectural wonders of beaver lodges. 3. Anatomy exploration. Adding a beaver and anatomy titles to the lodge helps children understand the structure and the function of these remarkable creatures. This activity blends creativity, learning, and a touch of Canadian